guys, welcome to PyPower projects, and today we'll learn a wonderful Python project that is download YouTube videos directly in your computer by giving only just link. So is it awesome? Yes, it's wonderful and a very wonderful application of Python we are going to learn today. So you have to just give input the YouTube link and video will be downloaded in MP4 format in your folder. It's awesome. Yes, really it's wonderful project, and the major implementation, or you can say the major benefit of this project is we are providing this project with a GUI. So a wonderful GUI is there for making the task easy and getting out of that black and white console based programming. So a GUI software is provided along with this code, which makes the task simpler and easier for everyone. So let's see the code. So this is the library that you have to first install in your PC before going to run this code. So pip install pykube3, that will install the pytube library in your PC, and then we can use it. So be sure that you first install this library in your PC, and this is the code. This is the main function download, which takes the care of downloading YouTube videos. So what does it do? This is the link.get. This link is a variable indicator, and .get will return the value that are written in that text box or text field. And this is a simple message box, GUI dialog box that download is started. Please wait till video download. So it might happen that some video are very much bigger in size. So this is the initial dialog box before starting the video, and this is the completion dialog box, that it shows the download is now complete and your video is saved successfully. And this function YouTube, and we have to pass here the link as an argument, and stream0 dot download, it will download the video in your local computer, the same folder you are where the code is. And there are other functions of this YouTube function, I mean this pytube3 library, that you can mention the quality, that is you want to download 360p or 480p like that. And other functionalities are also there. So here it is, the YouTube function of pytube3 library, and you can download it. The function additional functionality for confirmation is there. Whenever download is completed, now my button that is there, download button, will be now of green color and the text will be white. So this is additional sign that will confirm that video is now downloaded, and the video is now saved to your PC and renamed as uh, name.get. So whatever name you give to your video will be renamed that downloaded video. So this is the code that is download the video, and this is a GUI section that that we are providing along with the code, which makes the download process simpler for anyone, and getting out of that complex console based programming. Let's see the output of it. Initially, I have some links here. This is a small atom short movie by IM. Let's download it first. So here is my complete GUI and how it works. So I have to just paste here the YouTube link. You can see that this is my YouTube link here, completely written and rename as atom video. So my video will be now renamed as atom video and download. So please wait to download completes and my download is started. Okay, no issue. So download is started, and additional dialog box will come. It will show that my download is completed. So waiting till the video downloads. Okay, great. Video downloaded successfully, and Now my button color is also changed to green. That means the video is saved successfully in my folder. So first have a look at it, whether it is true or not. Yes, it is there. So my video is successfully saved here, atomvideo.mp4, and here it is. So this is the video that I have YouTube link, and it is now downloaded in my PC. So this is the code, the wonderful GUI based software of downloading YouTube videos directly into your computer. And here it is a short and sweet but very important code of downloading videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot from this video project tutorial. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Happy learning.
At the end of video, I would like to thank you for giving your precious time. Like and share our video on YouTube, and also do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any important video and any powerful project. We are also having Instagram page and Facebook page. You can also follow that for more updates. The codes, images and all other data used in this video are available on the GitHub. The link of GitHub repository is given in the description, so please do find and practice at your home. If you find any error and any difficulty in executing this project, so you can join our WhatsApp group and post your error. We would like to help you there, and by joining our WhatsApp group, you will become a part of PyPower community. Thank you. Have a good day.